Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this session, we will see how we can install MongoDB Compass. So let's get started. Here we will write mongodb.com and then we will click on software. Under software you will see here we have Compass, GUI for MongoDB. Click here and after that we can click on try now. From here you will see we have a option MongoDB Compass and by default it will be selected zip. So you can click here and select MSI. So MSI is installed here, it will be installed in your system. So now click download. Here you can see MongoDB is downloaded now. MongoDB Compass is downloaded now. Let's click on MSI file. Click next, install. So now MongoDB Compass is installed in my system. Let's click finish. Now after that we will click on a start window. We can see here MongoDB Compass, or we can directly write here MongoDB Compass. Click on open. Now here we can see it is asking for connection string, right? So here we have to add the connection string, that is MongoDB and this thing, username, password, and then @ you have to enter the localhost and which database you wanted to connect, admin. Or we can use the field connection by field also. So here by default it is localhost and then 2701 is the port. So suppose if you are not aware of the port number, then you can also open command prompt cmd. You can write here cmd and then you can write command mongo to connect with the database MongoDB. Here you can write one command db.get mongo. This particular method will return you, it will say that it is connected to localhost, that is 127.0.0.1 and port number is 27017. So I can use this port. Let's close here. So we can use this localhost and then we can simply click on connect. This is one way to connect with your database. Another one is you can use here the same thing also. So whenever you will fill this, it will automatically populate here MongoDB localhost and then 27017. Read preferred, SSL is false. Now click connect. So you can see now MongoDB Compass is connected with MongoDB database, and in the last session we have seen how we can create the MongoDB database using command. So this particular database we had created, and under that we had added one collection, that is books, and in this collection you can see we have two data. One is MongoDB database name and then ID. These two things we added here. We can also add data from here. We can click insert document or insert from file. So we can see, so in the next video we will see how we can create our own, how we can create database and other stuff in MongoDB Compass.